Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and this is a very anticipated product that I and we have all been waiting for. This is the iPhone XS Max. Now, just a little hint, I have been using the phone for a few days now, and this is my initial impressions as well as an unboxing video. But just for the sake of this video, I already did put a case on my phone just because I'm not taking no risk with a $1,000 smartphone. But in the box, as you saw, we had the instructions, a 5-watt charging brick, and these Apple Earpods. Now, one thing that I haven't really noticed is using the Earpods as much because I've been sticking to Bluetooth headphones, and that is something that Apple is slowly pushing us towards the future of a portless phone. And I haven't really missed the headphone jack at all. It's kind of weird though. But as you guys can see, this is the phone in all its glory. I've actually been watching a few YouTube videos, getting a look at the screen and just basically just admiring the phone. It's an amazing piece of hardware. But let's take a look at the sound real quick.
NBA Twitter is basketball religion.
It's breaking news.
It's happening around the clock, 24/7.
A lot of different.
It seems like LeBron is. What's up? They aren't who they used to be. Every athlete except LeBron. Same conclusion. And 3, anytime I say the word in this video, I'm gonna censor it. Hey, people.
Now, as you guys can see, this really is a amazing piece of hardware, and the speakers didn't sound that bad either. They sound really full and clear. And as you guys can see, I've actually been using this camera for a bit of a while. I took some test pictures. This is the front-facing portrait mode with that new sort of f-stop feature where you can adjust the bokeh, the background blur basically, and it's actually been pretty good. I believe that the new front-facing camera is now 1080p, so you can shoot that amazing 1080p video for those amazing like front-facing vlogs instead of using the rear camera. But just overall, the phone's actually just has been pretty snappy. I mean, that's what you expect from a $1,000+ smartphone by Apple, and this is Apple's, I believe, the A12 Bionic chip that's in this phone, and it's been amazingly fast, and it's helped improve Face ID with the neural engine. It learns your face over time, and for comparison, you can actually see the iPhone X case side by side, and as well as the iPhone 6 Plus. Now, the iPhone X, it is a little bit smaller than the XS Max, but the 6 Plus is actually pretty close to the same size, or pretty much is. I think it's just a little bit bigger, but the main difference is just subtracting the bezels from the 6 Plus, and it's pretty much the same size. But overall, they are all pretty decent smartphones. I've been looking for an upgrade for a pretty long time, and I'm really glad that I was able to pick up this brand new iPhone XS Max, guys. I can't really believe it. It's amazing. I never really thought I would be getting this phone, but like I said, I will be using this phone over the next couple of weeks or so for that full review, so stay tuned.